it's about
School love.
definitely about school love. About love. She's also a good actress. I saw one of her music video with Marabang, that guy. So this is how Indian will fall in love. It was by mistake. It was by mistake. If it was you, they would have slapped you now. Now she's happy. Wow, just like that.
I was waiting for my children before coming.
Maybe in Meghalaya it's easy. We'll go and try that. Okay? Yeah. I'll go and push you. I'll go and push you.
I'm waiting for my
Samlangi hamdenden Glen kabarim Instant temai Kijing sto singin berat kijing kuslaing Ngin yaj lang syaka mon baro ngin yaj lang syaka diang Pen kilak jana kisur babang Wan dong ban syat pinang ale baro wan pen kilang Hala ijong style klem jing lerang.
If someone will tell you it's from Meghalaya or not is India, just first thing in your mind, just know that it is India. Especially Shillong. Shillong is about 80%. All of them are
Jing ya shoot ya siung ya be shajngai Da ka jing sungin piang yus nem temai Kawi ka jing mun min bu aladi Look at kijis niu ki ba pen tamik
my heart. Falling in love again.
You was hopeless.
Oh. My way. All those single pretty ladies are already committed. Yes. But so you are just keep thinking about 90 days. Hey, this guy, no, this is Amonique. Amonique, I think this is Amonique. Make me fall in love again.
Just pretend I've never met nobody like you before. I'll never leave you, baby. I am sure.
Hey, I thought people are going to dance. It's amazing. At least this guy is singing in English, so that is amazing.
I want to forget all those lonely days. all his bad.
He's even drinking with a dad. He's drinking with her dad. I got something here, guys. I got something, but I will tell at the end of the music video.
Lak palat
Uff,
kini teh.
Kabiang be. Halik.
Nadien pebun banyak ringkat pem shlan pem nun.
Hey.
Oh, wow.
Look at him. Yes, we left.
What are you looking? What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
I like it. Now I'm done. Yup. Kondeng,
He's making his own dish.
Hey, I'll call police for you. I'll call police for you. This lady, she look like a good actor. She's too much for acting. We are all